Dear friends, in this video I want to share with you my knowledge on two very well-known tropical herbs. They are lemongrass and turmeric. Widely used in most Asian foods and have tremendous medicinal value. In this video also I am sharing with you how to grow lemongrass easily from store-bought lemongrass stems. I am also going to share with you here my recipe for making a very healthy savory tea with these two herbs. I find this tea very desirable as it is full of flavor and aroma. It sort of warms me up and I feel so refreshed after drinking this tea. In fact, growing and propagating lemongrass or turmeric is not all that difficult, and you don't have to have a great green thumb. Lemongrass tops popular gardening lists because it is a robust and quick grower, adaptable to almost all conditions and gorgeous in every setting. Moreover, lemongrass has very few pests. In fact, lemongrass is used in concoctions to repel insects. Lemongrass is easily propagated from cuttings or stalks from the lemongrass bush. It can also be propagated from store-bought stalks and requires little or no care once the plants are established. Here are some tips to start your own lemongrass bush. Use only stalks with intact base stems. Cut off the grassy tops so that new shoots can grow easily. Leave the stalks in some water in a jar for a week. Regularly change the water every 2 days, keeping the water level constant. Once the roots are established, it's time to pot them. Use premium potting mix and a large container to grow lemongrass successfully. Lemongrass can grow to a height of 1 meter and has a mounting growth habit. That is, it grows in clumps. Lemongrass also needs adequate moisture to grow well. Lemongrass is considered one of the best edible medicinal herbs in the world. It's a key ingredient in Thai and Vietnamese cooking. It's normally added to any dish that requires a fresh lemony tang. It is normally used as a spice in savory dishes, teas, and desserts. There are many lemongrass benefits. But unfortunately, researchers have not done enough large-scale studies to prove these benefits. However, in this video, I am sharing with you some of the most believed lemongrass tea benefits. Lemongrass tea is said to have a calming and healing effect and is believed to relieve anxiety. Lemongrass tea is also considered as a great detox as it is said to improve blood circulation and help in purifying the liver. Lemongrass tea is also known to limit cholesterol absorption from the intestines, thus promoting overall heart health. Lemongrass tea is also believed to lower blood pressure. Moreover, it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that strengthens immunity. Here is how I made my health-boosting lemongrass turmeric tea. Cut away the roots and clean the lemongrass first. Normally, only the base stems of the lemongrass is used for cooking. And that's the part we find in the stores too. However, as my lemongrass is from my own garden, I decided to use the leafy tops as well in my tea as they are most fragrant. There is no exact science for making lemongrass tea. If we like a full flavored tea, we just add more lemongrass. Pound and bruise the lemongrass as it gives the tea a richer flavor. To make the tea in this video, I am using 5 lemongrass stalks and leaves to 3 liters of water. For added value to this tea, I have added here fresh turmeric. Turmeric is also another well-known tropical medicinal herb and is safe to use. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Pound the cleaned and peeled fresh turmeric coarsely. Numerous studies have proved turmeric to be a powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and also as an antiseptic. Curcumin in turmeric is the chemical compound which gives us these numerous health benefits. Unfortunately, the body does not absorb curcumin in its raw state as the liver eliminates it as a toxin. Pound the pepper seeds coarsely. Turmeric should always be paired with black pepper. The compound pepperin in black pepper makes curcumin more available to the body. That's why many turmeric pills in the market have black pepper added with the turmeric. Here I am using a tea bag to fill the pounded ingredients. This makes easier serving as I don't have to strain the tea. Now, to make lemongrass turmeric tea, all we need to do is to boil these 3 ingredients in water for 20 to 30 minutes. Curcumin's bioavailability is also increased by heating it up and consuming it with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat soluble, and eating turmeric with healthy fats can greatly increase its absorption. For example, by adding milk to this tea. The tea now has acquired a golden brown color, richly flavored with lemongrass and has a peppery taste. The lemongrass turmeric tea is now ready to be served. Lemongrass turmeric tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. Moreover, the tea tastes great even with no sweetener. I enjoy my lemongrass turmeric tea chilled and with no sweetener added. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Happy growing your own food and eating what you grow. Grow and bloom.